Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. In this session, we explore how to run a function in a separate thread using a web worker. This technique prevents long-running functions from blocking the UI, improving responsiveness. Let's dive in. JavaScript runs on a single thread, meaning heavy computations can freeze the UI. Using web workers, we can run functions asynchronously to keep our application responsive. We create a web worker using a blob object, stringifying the function. The worker executes the function and sends back the result using post message. We wrap this logic in a promise, resolving when data is received. Breaking it down, we first create a worker, run the function inside it, and use post message to send back results. We then listen for a response or errors, and finally terminate the worker to clean up resources. Since web workers run in a different context, they don't have access to external variables. This is why trying to reference an outside variable results in undefined. Web workers are powerful for tasks like real-time data processing, image transformations, and improving UI performance. That wraps up today's lesson. Using web workers helps us optimize JavaScript applications by running functions in separate threads. Try implementing this in your projects for improved performance. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.